Hello guys, I'm Jay from Banana Studio, and today I'll be showing you guys how to download any videos for free on all platforms. Now once you're here, type Y2Mate. I will leave the link at the description down below. Now it is y2mate.com. Once you're connected here, I'm selected as Korean, but I will change to English, and then paste your URL down here. I will just say YouTube. On the top search, I'll just press this, and there are tons of videos as you can see, but this is not specified, and that is the reason why I'm viewing so many videos. But if you copy the specific URL of your video, then there should be only one video. And once you press download video, it should be downloaded. It goes same for Android and iOS. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe for more information.